From Assembly Magazine headquarters in Birmingham, Michigan, this is Assembly News Now. On today's show, a fast-track training program is getting workers shop floor ready in just days, helping manufacturers close the skills gap. Researchers develop an AI-powered robot that can locate lost objects using context and 3D vision. Engineers are exploring how cobots can support workers on the assembly line. And Mercedes-Benz announces a $4 billion investment in SUV production. Assembly News Now is brought to you by Motion Index Drives, a leading manufacturer of rotary, linear, and multi-axis precision indexing devices. Rotary index tables, precision link conveyors, weld positioning systems, tool tray shuttles, robot transfer units, and much more through your customized specifications. Learn more at www.motionindexdrives.com. Today on Assembly News Now, we don't need to tell you, but manufacturers need skilled workers fast. And new short-duration training programs are helping meet that demand by preparing workers for the shop floor in just days. America's Cutting Edge, supported by IACME, combines online learning with a one-week hands-on boot camp. Participants gain practical experience in print reading, CAD/CAM, and machining, building real-world skills before they ever start a job.
After the military, I knew I wanted to do something with CNC machining. So through PACE is where I found out about ACE. She put me through the program, and going through the program was definitely like a good jump start to get into machining.
The goal is simple: shorten the path from training to productivity. Graduates arrive with a working knowledge of manufacturing processes, helping reduce onboarding time for employers.
And it's not theoretical, it's pragmatic hands-on learning. They get in these programs and they're getting noticed by industry because there's such a talent shortfall. They need this critical element of the workforce. This is the heartbeat of American industries. Right here is in manufacturing.
Demand for these programs is growing as more people explore careers in manufacturing. Expanded training now includes areas like composites, smart manufacturing, and metrology. By focusing on speed, hands-on experience, and industry collaboration, programs like ACE are creating faster, more direct pathways into manufacturing careers. And now, Assembly's Big Three stories. First, what if a robot on your assembly line could find missing tools or parts before they slow production? Researchers at the Technical University of Munich had developed an AI-powered system that combines 3D vision with language-based intelligence to locate misplaced objects using context, not random search. The robot builds a real-time map of its environment and understands where items are most likely to be based on how spaces are used. Instead of scanning everything, it prioritizes high-probability locations, improving search efficiency by nearly 30%. Next, as manufacturers search for new ways to expand the workforce, researchers are looking to bring more folks into the industry, including by better supporting workers with autism and other forms of neurodivergence on the assembly line. A multi-university team is developing AI-enabled cobots designed to provide real-time feedback, adjust work pace, and support communication during assembly tasks. Teams at Virginia Tech, George Washington University, and the University of Notre Dame, including all of the individuals named on the screen, are building prototype systems and gathering input directly from neurodivergent individuals to guide design. The goal is to move beyond accommodation and create environments where more people can succeed in manufacturing roles. Rounding out the Big Three, the inaugural Manufacturing and Automation Exchange, MAX, in Nashville, brought together manufacturing professionals for hands-on technology demos, interactive workshops, and fast-paced discussions around automation, AI, and workforce development. From the show floor to the learning hubs and conference sessions, Attendees explored practical ideas, connecting with peers, and experienced new approaches to modern manufacturing challenges. Now comes the Assembly Show, scheduled for October 27th through the 29th in Rosemont, Illinois. The event will bring engineers, plant managers, and industry leaders together for more hands-on learning and opportunities to engage directly with the technology shaping production today. Finally today, Mercedes-Benz is investing big in Alabama manufacturing. Here's Factories in Focus with Chief Editor John Sprovieri.
Thanks, JJ. There's a lot going on at the Mercedes-Benz assembly plant in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Over the next 4 years, the German automaker will invest $4 billion in the factory. The investment is part of a broader plan to spend more than $7 billion in the automaker's U.S. operations over the next several years. The Tuscaloosa plant assembles a range of SUVs for both the U.S. and export markets. In fact, approximately 60% of the vehicles produced at the plant are exported, making the operation one of the largest automobile exporters in the U.S. The factory assembles the GLE, GLS, and GLE Coupe. It also produces 2 all-electric models, the EQE and EQS SUVs. In the near future, Mercedes will add production of the GLC at the facility. The investment coincides with the production of the 5 millionth SUV at the factory. Since opening in 1995, the plant has become the central hub in the company's global SUV production network. It employs some 5,800 people and hundreds of robots. The highly automated factory uses Internet of Things technology along with artificial intelligence to provide an up-to-the-minute picture of what is going on in vehicle production. Back to you, JJ.
Our next episode drops next month. For more headlines about assembly technology, visit assemblymag.com and follow us on social media. Thank you to all of you, our viewers, for joining us today on Assembly News Now. I hope you'll tune in again soon.